Hello everyone, welcome to Shiru's Mesmerizing World. If you're watching me for the first time, I am Sirisha. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the further notifications. I know most of the people are facing issues in getting all the essentials like vegetables and all. Even we are facing the issue. Most of the apps are not delivering all the products at most of the locations. So I actually found an app which is really very good and thought of sharing the information with you all so that you can take benefit of it. This is not a collaboration video. As you all know, I have started the channel recently. So out of my interest, I thought of helping you all. I'm just sharing the information regarding the app. So yes, this is the app I'm talking about. It's QBag. You can download it from both App Store and also the Google Play. Here's how the app looks, QBag. After opening, you can find 14 categories in the app, that is milk, vegetables, fruits, food basics, household needs, breakfast and all. And when you open a particular category, there are many subcategories in it where you can see and select whichever you want. There are two options again, that is get once or subscribe. You can subscribe it for the whole month if it is like milk or something else. And while subscribing also, they are giving us two options, I mean many options, day and dates. We can select like if you want it daily or alternate days, or if you want to skip 2 days, like get it once in 3 days and all. And there is a mode called vacation mode. If you on the vacation mode, all your subscriptions will be stopped, that is they will not deliver it until you again off the vacation mode. In the vacation mode also, there are two options like planned vacation mode and unplanned. In this app, all the transactions are done only through the wallet. There is no COD option. You have to recharge the wallet and then place the order. So at the end of the screen, you'll find help option where you can place your complaint or suggestions, and within 5 minutes you'll get a call from the concerned team and your issue will be resolved. And one more thing, there are no delivery charges, zero delivery charges. So this is the best feature. So when you place an order, you'll receive it in this form. They are neatly packed in a bag, and they'll tie a knot because they don't usually ring bell. There are two options, like if you want them to ring bell, they'll ring, if not they won't. So they'll tie the knot and drop it in front of your main door. So these are the fruits and vegetables. They will pack each vegetable into separately into the paper bags, and we get all the fresh vegetables and fruits. You can see this. It's a good one. Give it a try.